Hey everyone, it's Alina from DESelect here, and I'm joined today by Zandra, our customer success manager.
Hi, everyone.
So, the Christmas holiday season is just around the corner, which means that marketers are as busy as ever bringing their Christmas campaigns to life. And DESelect is here also with a new release to ease up this process for marketers. And we'd like to tackle this new update in this new video format for us. And we hope you enjoy it and let us know what you think in the comments below. So the first feature that we would like to tackle is the folders for available data extension. So Zandra, can you tell a bit more about this functionality and how DESelect users can benefit from it?
Sure. So for the folders for available data extension functionality has been designed to help the users find data extensions through or via navigating on the folder structure that they are familiar on. So there are cases that users doesn't know the name of the data extension or at least forgot the name of the data extension that they want to use. So in this case, then we can help them through the folder structure, search on the folders, navigate, and then find the data extension that they want to use. Now for the benefits of the users, of course, they can spend less time finding the right data extension that they want to use via the folder structure, which they're familiar because it's what they have in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And even if they don't remember the name of the data extension, then they can easily browse through the folders.
Okay, yeah, that sounds like a really great feature. And why don't you just show how it looks like in DESelect now?
Okay, sure, let's do that. So now we're going to show you on how you can use folders for available data extensions. If you can see here under available data extensions, you have the funnel icon. So just click on that and we can start searching for the available folders that we have. Here you can see all the folders that I have access to, and I can just simply navigate on it and search for the data extension that I want to use. So let's say I want to open this DESelect demo data folder next, and here I have all the data extensions, and just simply click or choose which one you want to use and click on select, and now you can drag and drop it on our selected data extensions area to select that specific data extension and continue with the selection that you want to have.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about our another new feature for this month, and this is selection templates. And this functionality actually comes from our customers. And I was wondering, Zandra, if you can tell a bit more what exactly they wanted to solve with this feature and why they needed it.
This indeed comes from a customer. This is an improvement idea from them. They have a selection or a campaign that actually needs to be created in a timely manner. They have a specific frequency that they require to send out some campaigns with the same data extensions that needs to be combined, the same filters and the same setting to do it from the beginning all the time, creating selection multiple times just to send out the campaigns whenever they need it. So they come up with an idea of creating or marking a selection as a template. So administrators or whoever user as a creator can create a selection that can be marked as a template with the standard data extensions that they need to join, the filters and all the setting for the selection. They can provide instructions for the rest of the users to see it and in how they can modify or tweak the selection if needed. The rest of the users can copy it from one business unit to another, or if they want to just copy it on the same business unit, that's also fine. So it really helps them to save time in terms of always not creating the same selection over and over, and helps the users also to create selections by their own with the same standard as how it's supposed to be.
And how do you think other DESelect users can benefit from this functionality?
So users can benefit from this feature spending less time in creating the same selection over and over, and also allows the rest of the users to create selections by their own with the same standard or quality that is expected from them.
Okay, yeah, that's great. So now let's go on and show actually how this feature looks like in DESelect.
Okay, cool. Hi, so here's a demonstration for the selection templates and description. So if you can see here, I'm on my new selection. I have the template icon over here, so I'll just click on that and we can just simply provide a selection description for this specific selection. If we want to stop there, then we can do so. Otherwise, if we want to create or mark the selection as a template, all we have to do then is to check on this checkbox that says this selection as a template, and then we can then fill out the template description. If we have any instructions in there that we need or the users need to do, filters to add or additional selection setting, then we can mention it here, and then we can just simply click save, and your selection will be marked as a template and can be copied and used by the rest of the users.
Our final feature for today is the improved date filters. Actually, it's not really new feature on its own. It's actually an improvement of an already existing feature that we have in DESelect, and I'm talking about the date filters. So Zandra, can you please enlighten how have we improved date filters in DESelect for a better user adoption?
Yeah, so date filters is a separate subject on their own. Needless to say, it doesn't really matter how advanced you are. In data management, it's quite easy to forget about the winter change time, for instance, or if you have date difference or time zone difference and send campaign at the wrong time. So, however, we strive to make it easier as much as possible for our customers to work with the date filters. So, for starters, by leveraging our extensive date filters capacity and also now by an improved lingo used to work with them. Hi, so now we are going to show you some of the improved date filters. I'll not be showing all, I'll be showing only two. For this demonstration, you feel free to check the rest on our support article. So here, if you can see, I have a date field, which is the order date, and I'll be using the between filter type. This matches if the field value is between the two given values that we have set here. So if you have a date range and you want to retrieve the value between those date range, then feel free to use between. Or in opposite, if you have values that you want to retrieve excluding a specific date range, then you can use the not between filter type, since this matches if the field value is not between the two given values that we have set over here. That's it for our improved date filters.
That are all the functions that we at DESelect prepared for you in December. Many thanks to Zandra for showing how these functionalities actually work, and wishing you all the best for the upcoming Christmas holidays.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And if you want to learn more about the technicalities of these features that we have presented and other DESelect features as well, visit our support portal that is linked under the video.
Make sure also to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and never miss out on the videos where we share Salesforce Marketing Cloud best practices and DESelect tips and tricks and updates. If you want to book a DESelect demo, contact us using the link in the description to this video. Thank you for watching again, and bye.
Bye.